Have a JNC660 jump box. It's probably from about 2011. The battery went dead on it. I recycled the old battery months ago. I was looking for a deal on a battery, but couldn't really find one. No, I finally did. I'll show you the old battery. It was a B&B battery, double-sided taped over here, and just a bunch of screws. You take apart the unit, all the same size. You have your positive and negative connection. And this is my new battery I picked up. Mighty Max, Linkit, made in Thailand, not made in China, which is nice. Ships from like Edison, New Jersey, which is a place that I have probably been to before. I think it's like right over the damn the border. We're gonna go battery test it though. Their tester. These read around 300 usually. This is not gonna read right because it's not on good. You get a good connection. Okay, battery out of vehicle. I'm gonna do like AGM flat plate. CCA. I'm gonna bring it down to like 300. Usually they're around 300, 280, 300. These things usually. They read like 286. I put one on another one. Say 322. That's a good one. That's enough to jumpstart your car. So, actually, may have read better than the other one I had. The other one I may have had was like 290. So that should work. Let's go put it in. What was it, like 8 millimeters or something? I forget what size this was. It's been so long. And we have to install it. I believe one side was the cable with this butt up against this side, if I remember, and the other ones are on that side, if I remember correctly. How it was mounted on the inboard side was the charging side. It's been a while, and the battery goes this way with the terminals facing out. Let me go get some double-sided tape because we're going to go try to install it how it was with the 2 pieces of tape. This is the old battery on our jump box. Trash found, double-sided tape is on. It's not foam tape like it was originally, but it's trash found. Alright, stick this thing on. Positive and then negative, of course, just like your car battery. Takes forever. You should really bring a ratchet with you. I just use an 8 millimeters or the equivalent. So I'm pretty sure it had it was like this. And then it was the wires were on this side. Then it was this weird lock washer thing, and then the lock washer thing, and then the cable, because I see witness marks on the cable. I don't think it was just directly that lock nut and then the cable. It's been like months, so you're bound to screw stuff up. There's 3 wires again on this one. Almost lost one. And yeah, 3 wires, cable. Let's go see if it works again. Yay! It's fixed. 2011, old shit. Thing should be all set now. I think I have it assembled correctly. I think it was like that, and think it was like that. Make sure when you're connecting your battery, do not put your leads together. Then the back panel goes on like this, and then the screws, and hopefully it works out. Yay! Let's go test it again. Panel screws in the back. I wish I showed it, but it didn't have like threads on it, but I had a post on it. Not sure if it was originally like that for like tamper-proof protection. So the company knows, this is warranty denied. But I need a small screw. It doesn't quite fit. One's over there. It's going to fall out. But let's see if it charges now. We should also battery test it again. But we're just going to check if it charges. Does this stupid thing work? Yeah, look at that. I never had a low voltage, but the cranking amps are crap on the old battery. It was like literally like 60 cranking. That's not going to start anything. It probably wouldn't even start a lawnmower. This battery was shot too. I put a new one in there twice now. One of the batteries I bought was defective. They refunded me for it. Alright, let's see if we get a green light in a little bit. Let's see. Check my voltmeter, see if we have more than 12. But, okay, that's how you fix your thing. Don't throw them out if the case is not messed up. Just throw a new battery in. We used to have this idiot manager guy. He used to throw all these things out in our car lot auction thing. And sometimes I get them, but then it was mean to me. And I was mean to them or whatever, and then they wouldn't give them to me anymore. And they were giving like these homeless temporary worker people jump box, and they're like, "What the hell do I do with these?" They didn't even know what to do with them. "Oh, you take them apart and scrap the batteries out of them." I'm like, "Oh yeah, like I used to." I didn't make much off them. You get about $1.50 a piece for the batteries, and maybe they gave me like 5 of them, you know, and then the copper wire stuff. You don't really make much. But they were beat though. They're all broken apart, so I just junked. They weren't Jump and Carry brand. They were another brand. They were the black ones with the little plastic side handles. You know the ones I'm talking about. You see them very commonly on lots. But hopefully it lasts for another, I don't know, a couple of years, 5 years or something. I don't know. It was like $46 plus tax on the battery. It was a Prime Day special, so that's why I bought it for. So I got the extra percentage. I was waiting. So now I should have 3 of these things that are functional. So that's not bad. I was gonna get a. This is a. In here I put a Neptune battery, a gel. Don't know if it's any better, but it was cheap. Don't seem to sell it anymore. That came from Miami. This battery came from New Jersey, made in Thailand. At least it's not made in China anymore. I don't really like Chinese batteries. Now it's assembled in the USA, because it says assembled in China in the back somewhere over there. So there we go. I gotta go cross that out with a marker. Alright, cool. Yay, fix your stuff. Yeah, it's an old one. It has metal. Now they come plastic. It'll work. See if it charges up.